Since the 4th generation Mazda 3 lineup's debut in 2019, there haven't been any significant complaints about the lineup, despite the occasional complaints from customers. Let's take a closer look at the 2022 Mazda 3 issues. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. FCA problems. Forward collision avoidance malfunctions have been the Mazda 3 lineup's most frequent issue. A crash risk arises when auto emergency braking is abruptly activated as a result of a forward collision avoidance malfunction. The majority of user complaints mention the forward collision avoidance system failing at slower speeds and citing no collision threat. There are no documented cases of fatalities or severe injuries. Engine stalling. Drivers of the Mazda 3 frequently criticize the sudden loss of engine power and drive. Users have reported instances of loss of drive, which results in engine stalling while traveling at safe speeds. The risk of being rear-ended increases when the engine stalls while driving. Rear door expansion. Users have reported that the back door expands in hot weather, causing the vehicle's body to lose structural integrity. Jerky starts. Users have complained about jerky starts when attempting to move from a complete stop or a red light, both of which involve activating the auto start-stop feature. Fragile windshield. Customers have complained about the Mazda 3 lineup's windshields chipping and cracking due to minor external impacts. Few user complaints mention windshield damage from small-scale objects like gravel and pebbles colliding with it. A fragile windshield compromises the vehicle's structural integrity and increases the possibility of passenger injuries. The side view mirrors fall off. Despite how funny it may sound, owners of the Mazda 3 have frequently complained about losing their side view mirrors after minor collisions, and in some cases with no collision at all. Losing side view mirrors limits the driver's ability to see behind him or her and could cause a collision. A side view mirror that shoots projectiles while moving could endanger other drivers. Vehicle catch fire. The rarest reported complaints about the Mazda 3 lineup have been car fires. The 2 cases that have been reported so far resulted in a total loss of the vehicle but no fatalities or serious injuries. In both instances, it is stated that the car was parked when it suddenly caught fire. Recalls. Although there haven't been many significant complaints or problems with the 4th generation Mazda 3 lineup, Mazda has done its due diligence when it comes to necessary vehicle recalls. Customers who have experienced recalls have praised Mazda's streamlined recall procedures. Additionally, Mazda guarantees the provision of a temporary standby vehicle in the event of a recall. The full list of recalls now you can see on the screen. Should you buy? The Mazda 3 is a fantastic option for a daily driver with some fun factor. The Mazda 3 offers a thrilling and sporty driving experience, impressive bodywork, and versatility for a reasonable price when compared to the most recent generation of the lineup. To guarantee a pleasurable driving experience, it is safe to prioritize used car listings for the 4th generation Mazda 3 over any used car listings for the 3rd generation Mazda.